You've got 50,000 photos and you know the one you are looking for is in there somewhere. The problem is you've only got a copy of it, not the original. You could spend hours searching for it, or you could let Excire Foto find it for you in seconds. In this video, I'll show you how. Excire Foto is more than keywording. Most people think Excire Foto is all about AI keywording. And whilst it's very good at that, I keep finding more and more uses for it. This is one of my favorite features. Let me show you how it works. Start by adding your photos to Excire Foto and allowing it to finish indexing your collection. Once that's complete, go to Find in the top menu and select Find Similar Photo with External Photo. Next, choose Local File and browse to the photo you're trying to find. For search type, select Content. Then set the distance limit to around 10. I find this works well, especially if the photo has been resized or saved at a different resolution. Set Match Results to a high number. In theory, there should only be one exact match, although this isn't a perfect science, so it's useful to see a few alternatives just in case. Make sure you're searching the entire database, then click Start Search. Excire will now analyze the image and look for matching photos across your collection. In many cases, you'll find the original photo within seconds. And if you don't get the result you're expecting, try adjusting the distance limit slightly and running the search again. If you're trying to manage thousands of photos and want help creating a system that actually works, that's exactly why I created my Photo Mess Success courses. They walk you through organizing, searching, backing up, and managing your photo collection step by step. You can find out all the details at photomesssuccess.co.uk. But for now, let me show you a few real-world situations where this Excire feature has saved me a huge amount of time. When this trick really comes in handy. So when would you actually use this? A great example is when you've created a photo book and later realize you'd like to use one of those photos again, but you can't remember where the original image is stored. I've also used it to find the high resolution version of a photo that was being used on a website when all I had was the smaller web version to work from. And it's a great way to track down the original version of a photo you've previously shared on social media, especially if you've got thousands of photos in your collection. You can even use it to find the source image for printed projects, slideshows, or other creative work where you only have a copy available. Once you know this feature exists, you'll probably find yourself using it far more often than you expected. I know I do. And if you'd like to see another one of my favorite Excire Photo features, check out this little video next, where I show you how to use Excire Photo to find duplicate photos in your collection. It's a great way to free up storage and reduce the clutter in a large photo library. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more photo organizing tips. Have fun rediscovering your memories. I'll see you in my next video.